Alright folks, so we're motocamping, and I always bring a little water filtration system with me to refill my water, and this little running water is perfect for it. So let's get to it. First of all, let's access a filter right here. This can do 1,000 liter. There's a liter per bag, and so far I've done 4 or 5 bags. I'm trying to keep a mental count. All right. Like this. All right. So, next step is accessing my bladder. To refill it with water. So, I drank about a liter. Oops. Okay. Let's do this a bit better. There we go. And that's it, folks. It gives me some good, potable, fresh stream water. There are mosquitoes here, which is normal. Alright, mosquito. Let's put some more. Now, because I put a bit of water on the side, I'm going to wipe this off. Make sure there's not much contamination. And now the rest is for me for drinking. That's it.